So here are the 3 absolute best ways right now to make money on Fiverr using artificial intelligence. And the beauty is you don't even need to do the service yourself because AI will do it all for you. You can easily make up to $10,000 a month using these strategies, but you can do a lot more if you really take it into a business and apply these strategies at scale. And the first service is ad creation. See, so many businesses want social media posts or Google Ads banners. And as you can see, for example, this person is making an absolute killing on Fiverr selling these services. 37 orders in queue, 57 AED for the basic package, almost $100 for the premium package. So as you can see, this person is probably making $50,000 a month easily selling this service. And the good news is there's an AI company that can help you generate these images automatically without any design skills, and it does it for every single platform. So all you have to do is go to adcreative.ai, create an account, and use the free trial. There's a link down in the description. And as you can see, it's going to generate amazing ads for you. All you have to do, create a prompt, add the logo of your customer, and tell them what you want to do. And it will generate a complete set of graphics for you, all done for your customers. And I've tried this personally. It does amazing results and customers will just love it. So here's the business model. It will cost you only $1 per ad creative, and you can easily sell it from anywhere between $10 or $100 like we saw for this previous gig. That's an incredible return, a super low cost, and as you can see, you can do this at scale because the market is just huge on Fiverr. So now all you have to do to create your business is take a screenshot of a first ad you're going to create, make a beautiful thumbnail out of it, have a great gig title such as I will create a cutting edge image for Instagram post, and then have AI write your whole description saying that you want it to be persuasive, to show how different you are, and to also mention all your strong points. After that, just wait for the orders to start coming in and then just provide the service and get going and scale that business. The second business is even crazier because the industry is even bigger. It's one of the most sold services on Fiverr, and that is video explainers. Because see, businesses all want video explainers, and as you can see, this guy on Fiverr is making a lot of money doing this. It's pretty insane, and the market is just enormous. And the good news is there's now a tool called Steve.ai, which allows you to create these video explainers extremely simply just by writing a prompt and making a couple of changes. So all you have to do is go to Steve.ai, put in the logo of your company, explain what the company does, send in the script that your customer has sent, and then generate the video. It will cost you about $3 to generate the video with Steve.ai, and you can sell these services anywhere from $50 to $500, depending on how well you can sell yourself, how well you can position yourself, and just how much credibility you can build with reviews over time. And with this, you can easily make $10,000 a month. But again, if you stick to it and you build that rapport, you build these reviews, you can build a very, very big business using this. And the beauty is you never have to worry about the quality because AI is always going to do amazingly well for you. You might have to make a couple of changes, but usually your customers will just be extremely delighted by the result. So although these first 2 businesses are mainly done by AI, you still have to do a couple of things, and that requires a bit of work. And I know that for some of you guys, you want to find ways to make money by doing even less. And for you, I have great news because this third business model will literally take you 30 seconds of work to complete. And that is audio fixing. See, so many people go to Fiverr to fix their audio. Maybe they had a video which was shot or a podcast and the audio wasn't good, the microphone wasn't high quality, and they want it fixed. They want the bad elements to be removed, they want the noise to be removed, and people pay anywhere from $20 to $100 to get their audio fixed. And actually, right now, there's a brand new tool which is revolutionary. It's actually made by Adobe themselves, and it's called Adobe Podcasting. And Adobe Podcasting allows you to simply upload that MP3 file and it will fix your audio in such an amazing way. It actually does so much more than simply removing the noise. It makes the voice better, it makes the tone amazing, and the results are simply splendid. And actually, most of the boomers and most of the people out there don't know that this exists yet. So it's the perfect time to start leveraging this tool, make arbitrage money, and start generating $1,000 to $10,000 a month doing that service. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you like these businesses. Anyone can really start this. It's insane how much money there is to be made. All you have to do is make sure your gig is good and your Fiverr profile is good and credible, and you will start getting orders rather quickly. And sometimes you might want to have 1 or 2 customers come from outside the platform, someone that you can find on social media, to just get that first review, these first 2 or 3 reviews, and then you will start seeing some traffic in. And if your offer is good, if your price is good, and your thumbnail is good, you will start seeing these orders come in. So what are you waiting for, guys? The AI revolution is here, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.
Freelance career? Have you been wondering where to begin? Freelance Hub offers a comprehensive online video course for freelancers. Jumpstart and develop your freelance career. Let me introduce myself. I am a freelance video producer based in London. I've worked with clients like Google, Sony Music, HSBC, Vodafone, and Cisco, to name a few. I've been a freelancer for about 10 years now, and during those years, I've learned a lot about how to build and run my one-man freelance business. That's why now, after years of accumulating a fair amount of insight and experience, I want to share this knowledge with people that are developing their own freelance careers today, to help them make a fast and easy start. I will cover everything I personally wish I knew years ago when I started: where to begin, how to put together a portfolio, how to find clients, how to negotiate budgets, how to manage difficult clients, how to organize and run multiple projects simultaneously, how to manage the legal aspects of your work, how to better organize your time with your day-to-day work and your personal life around it. I've been working on this course for over a year, and I'm delighted to share it with you now.
Want to start earning $1,000 a week online but stuck at account signups, failed exams, or verification roadblocks?
Real freelancers don't wait. They start earning today.
Want to start earning $1,000 per week online but stuck at account signups, failed exams, or verification roadblocks? White heavy checkmark, we've got you covered. By verified freelance accounts, Telus, OneFormer, Appen, Remo Tasks, Wellocalize, and more. Get exam answers that work and breeze through verifications, all done fast, securely, and anonymously. Globe showing Europe Africa trusted by over 500 freelancers worldwide. Ready to stop failing and start earning? White right pointing backhand index DM now. Spots are limited.